this too. Right here. Oh yeah, I think they're in the box. I'm surprised with this. Aren't they beautiful? Oh, my Goldens are gorgeous. There's the other one. The other one's in the nest. I don't. And this one got put up. The metal roof is on now. The nest box is inside. They got a lot of nice sun here. Look how happy they are. Geez, I hope that this can be seen. I can't really see because of the sun. But here's the roof. The box is under this. I'll protect the box from the sun. It's inside. And over here are the blue throats. This macadamia tree. It's really nice tree. Reminds me of thunder. And I was out here trimming the macadamia trees. This is Jack and Tia. Are they together? Let's see. I hope that I can. Ah. I can't see because of the sun. But you can see that I have the feed dishes up. And their box is inside too. This is Celeste and Biardi. What these blue throats can do. Look at this. Look at that nest box. See it? That's what they do with them when they're out. And believe me, that sucker was tied, bolted, you name it. Those blue throats just get away. See this one here I have inside. That one. Look at those little silly clams. Yeah, I say silly clams. That's Rio and Bella and Bentley. And here's their box. Oh, I had to run out here real fast the other night on the ladder. And put that up. I had pieces down. And what two of these? All three of these guys are too young. Oh, wait a minute. Yeah. There's Bella over there. And Bentley is not interested. Bentley still has his feather condition. I would gather that that's never going to be corrected because he's been here a while now. 4 years. And here's little Rio. Rio. Rio's a baby. Ain't you, honey? But Rio's 4 years old? Are you 4 years old, honey? This is a baby. Yes, a baby. And Bella, I think Bella's ready, too. She's ready to, you know what, hoochie. beautiful looking? See, this is their feed dishes, and their drinking fowl is not out here yet. So, which one are you, sweetie? Huh? Are you Tia or Jack? Let's see. Riardi and Celeste. And this is Remington and Candancer. Usually they don't hang up on the cage like that. There you go. Yeah, they usually don't. Celeste and Remington don't do that. But they're all getting hypey right now. This is their season. They're coming right into it. This is to my Butter's on the nest box. Have their this tubing, stainless steel. I have theirs updated, and the bed, so the water can run. Oh, that sun is very bright. So I can run that. Make sure all of them have nice cool water. I don't want any hot water sitting. Hi, sweeties. Hi. Hello. This is Billy and Abby. Billy and Abby, yes! Choo. See? Feed dishes up. I don't like feed dishes down. And their nest box is also inside. All the Golden's nest boxes are inside. I don't want any predators after them. Right, sweetie? And if they want to raise their babies, they can. See? Family's inside. Yes.